second only importance to its cup of tea in any decent workshop is its music. And I have a small tinny DAB radio stuffed in the corner, but also I like to listen to music on my phone. But I found, obviously the phone is great if I'm working through my headphones, which I've done a review on in the past. These Still headphones, fantastic. I'll try and put a link to them, to the review I've done on them in this video. But I bought myself a Ultimate Ears Wonder Boom speaker. They come in different sizes and so on. This is their smallest one, and it's been absolutely fantastic. The things I like about it in the workshop are, being that it's waterproof, it's sealed then against metal dust and so on. On the back here, or it's water resistant rather, you can drop it in the water and it floats. I'm not willing to test it, but there you go. But on the back, the charging port there is nicely covered by this sort of stout cover there. It comes with this little thing. I found that a bit too weedy. Look, you can see I can just about, I've got quite small fingers, I can just about get my finger through there. So what I did was we bought a little cheap carabiner just to slip on so we can hang it from bits and pieces. The charge is supposed to last for about 7-8 hours. I've found it last for a couple of days work in the workshop. The buttons are quite straightforward. You have an on button, pairing for Bluetooth on there, and volume controls there. It teams up, or pairs up rather, quite easily with my phone, so I'll give that a try now, just while we're talking about things. It's been a great addition. In the UK they cost about £35 to £50 or thereabouts, and it's been brilliant. It's quite bassy. You've got to like your rock and so on it. I haven't found a way of changing that without changing the settings in the music. There we go, on the actual phone itself. So I'm just turning it on at the moment, and we'll get the Bluetooth going. Obviously I've got this all set up on my phone already over here. So there we go, it's connecting to that, and we're away hopefully. There we go. So I've found some royalty-free music that on my prehistoric phone may take a few moments to get going. But they're great for their price performance. Brilliant, fits in about the palm of your hand. I mean, the nice thing I've found about this one is you don't have to leave it in the workshop, obviously. It's a nice size. They take a standard USB charger, micro USB charger, so you can have that charging off in the workshop. You can take it home and do what you fancy with it, really. Right, let's see if I can find this. I found a bit of music by a chap called bensound.com, does royalty-free music, and I'm just wondering if I'm going to be able to find it. Here we go. So hopefully this will play and the video won't get taken off by YouTube because it's royalty-free. Just give you an idea. So there we go, a quick demonstration of the volume that it does. The way the volume works is on here, it works by whatever setting you have. So if you have your volume set on your phone, say you'll make this figure up, say to 7, and you do this, it will do the most it can with that 7. If you put this up to 10 and put this all the way up, you get 11. So a good little speaker, one I would thoroughly recommend. Waterproof, but not too much water in the workshop for me to test that in, but that does mean it resists metal dust really well. It's strong to the touch in the hand. It's been dropped a couple of times. A little speaker that I would thoroughly recommend. Absolutely no problem there whatsoever. And you can listen to your music. Of course, naturally, I assume it's going to be rock or heavy rock in the workshop. I don't know how it does with other music. So there you go, good speaker, well worth the cash, and I'm hoping to have this one around for a good while yet.